this episode. How are you doing, Tuva? Welcome to Stories of My Life. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm up waiting because sometimes between 7 and 11 a new fridge will arrive. So here I am, up, just waiting, not sleeping. Oh, God. It's 9 o'clock and the man with the fridge has just arrived. Oh, God. And the good thing is I didn't fall asleep again. I edited yesterday's video, so I'm all set now. And, haven't got a thought in my brain. Really sort of, I could go to sleep now. But I realise I can't. He's coming back with a fridge. He's just been here, taking away the top part of it. What else? Nothing. No. I realise there must be two of them, right? I mean, it can't be just him carrying that whole fridge by himself. I can't help him. Well, I can, but I won't. I shan't. By the way, the car is down there. Or the truck. Oh. And that's him. Is he going to do it all by himself? He's a master. Oh, yeah. It's just going to be him. Damn. So, old fridge. This is a place where the old fridge used to be. There used to be some sort of shelving unit, I guess. And a much, I guess, lower fridge. Okay, people, here we go. My new fridge. Well, looks like my old fridge. No, not quite, but... Oh, how nice. Oh, I love that these are clear because the old ones were not. I asked and I could keep the old ones. Just so it sort of had, these, I don't know why. Fabulous. Okay, time for one last goodbye. Goodbye, old fridge. I won't miss you. So I asked if I could save these old ones, if I would need extra shelving. But turns out this fridge is not as wide. Oh, look at that. It's not as wide as the other was, so... These are of no use. So here's the thing. The old one had 4. Because 1, 2, 3, and also I had another one up here. So maybe this one is a bit smaller. In that case, is this one a bit bigger? Because it says, So... Here we go. This says fast freeze. So I guess up there is where I keep the ice. So meat substitute, vegetables and, beans and stuff. But there's some sort of organisement of it. Now let's get to this. You know what I absolutely love? That everything is see-through. Because the old... were not, and you sort of forgot what's in it. Now I can see everything. So I need to take away the tape first. So everything I had in my own fridge, I kept out on the balcony for the night. So I hope the squirrels and the birds haven't got to it. So this is the way it looks now. There's no rhyme or reason to anything. I tried to keep them in, well, of course, vegetables down here, but... it seems to me that, I had one more shelf in the old one, so I could sort of put these things were sort of, yeah. I need to get a shelf. It's time to go to work, and 50% of the people missing yesterday are back today. It's a great number. So people, on my way to work, I'm going to leave this at the recycling centre now that I emptied these sort of freezer boxes or drawers for the real thing. I need to, get rid of them. Get some space, get some air back in my life. Here we go. Hello, everyone. There you go. Tell the people what you're doing.
I'm sewing magnets into a pocket.
Because why?
Because Helen puts glasses in here during the show, and sometimes they fall out, and that's not fun for anyone.
So here at the atelier, we've got the Simon who checks out, sort of, you going the rounds now, checking for fires. And
yes, no fires yet.
Yeah?
But I'm looking with sharp eyes
Yeah?
for a fire. If I see one, I put it out.
How do you put it out?
So.
Tonight we're playing almost with a full deck, and it feels kind of weird. We're sort of used to not doing that. Well, we have been doing it for 2 days. 3 days? 3 days. 2 days. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 2 days. It's just been 2 days. I'm not playing with the full deck, apparently. So we're in the middle of the show, well, the start of the show, and I can't help but think about my new fridge. Is it happy? I hope it is. David, you got something important to say?
It's December next week.
Next week is December. How does that make you feel?
Makes me feel old.
Because of Santa Claus? Gustav, snow, yes or no?
No, thank you.
Jonas, snow, yes or no?
Nej.
Snow, yes or no?
Yes.
David?
Yes.
Snow, yes or no?
No.
Joachim? Snow, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Johanna, snow, yes or no?
Yes!
Danny, snow, yes or no?
Ja, ich liebe die Schneeschlachten. Das ist gut.
Snow, yes or no?
In the Alps, yes. In the city, no.
Per, snow, yes or no?
Yes.
It's time to say goodnight. I'm going home to my new fridge. I'm going to say hi, fridge. How are you? I hope you're not haunted. But I don't think fridges are haunted. And especially new fridges. I mean, if it's an old fridge and there's been sort of corpses in it, for frozen corpses, then, the fridge might be haunted or the freezer. But I don't think this one is. I need to name it something. I need to call it something. Yeah, I need to christen it. I need a glass of wine. Good night. Thank you for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing and following. It really helps, and something to do with the internet and the algorithm, I think. So thank you so much.